Okay, so this video is going to be practice on word problems. So here's number 12. Take a minute, pause the video, try it on your own, and then come back. Okay, welcome back. So this one says, Andrew decides that he wants to start saving money for college. He starts off with $4,000 that he made from working over the summer. If he found a bank that compounds continuously at a rate of 8%, how many years will it take him to have $5,000? Okay, so the key word here is compounds continuously. Okay, so I want to point that out. So immediately when I see that, I know that we're using PERT. So A is equal to P times E to the R times T. Okay, now I just pull out my information that I have in this problem, plug it into my formula, and then solve for whatever they're asking. Okay, so here he starts off with 4,000. He wants to know how many years it will take to get to 5,000. So our 5,000 is our final. Our 4,000 is our initial. E, remember E is just a number. Okay, at a rate of 8%, so 0.08 times T. Okay, now I want to solve for this. So remember, I want to get this the exponential by itself, this exponent. So I'm going to divide by 4,000. Divide by 4,000. Okay, this gives me 5 over 4 is equal to e to the 0.08t. Okay, now I'm just going to flip this around to make it easier for my log snail. E to the 0.08t is equal to 5 over 4. Okay, now I can use my log snail. So I'm going from an exponential to a log. So I start with log base e of 5 over 4 is equal to 0.08t. I'm going to divide by 0.08. Divide by 0.08. Okay, so now I have log base e of 5 over 4 divided by 0.08 equal to t. Okay, I can rewrite that log base e as the natural log of 5 over 4 divided by 0.08 is equal to t. Okay, so now I just plug this into my calculator. So here I just have natural log, so I'm going to hit my ln button right here on the left. I'm going to type in 5/4. And then this is divided by 0.08. Hit enter there. Okay, so now I get t is equal to 2.79. Okay, years. So about 3 years. There's my answer. Okay, next problem, we're going to try number 10. So take a minute, pause the video, try it on your own, and then come back. Okay, welcome back. So for number 10, well, what does it kind of look like? Well, it kind of looks like a quadratic, right? So I'm going to factor this. So I'm going to start with 2 and 1. Different combinations to get 15. 15 and 1. 1 and 15. 5 and 3. And then 3 and 5. Okay, now I'm going to cross multiply to find my combination. So I have 2 and 15. 30 and 1. 6 and 5. 10 and 3. Okay, now I'm trying to get to a negative 11. Okay, so that would be here. Make both of these negative. There's my combination. The only difference with these, remember, is I just make these e to the x's. So now I have 2 e to the x minus 5. E to the x minus 3 is equal to 0. Set both equal to 0. I have 2 e to the x minus 5 is equal to 0. E to the x minus 3 is equal to 0. I'm going to add 5 and divide by 2. So here I get e to the x is equal to 5 or 2. Now I'm not done yet. I have not solved for x. So now I need to do my log snail to get log base e of 5/2 is equal to x. And then I can rewrite this as the natural log. So the natural log of 5/2 is equal to x. So there's one of my answers. This next one, I just have to add 3. So now I get u to the x is equal to 3. Log snail, get log base e of 3 is equal to x. Change that to natural log is equal to x. There's my answer. That's it.